Before Lego became the world's most beloved toy, it was just a box of wooden ducks. In 1932, Ole Kirk Christiansen, a Danish carpenter, was making simple, hand-carved toys in the middle of the Great Depression. Then came disaster. His factory burned down, his wife passed away. And with almost nothing left, he bet everything on a new, strange material: plastic. At the time, plastic was seen as cheap and unnatural. People didn't trust it. But in 1958, Christiansen's company patented the Lego brick as we know it. Perfectly interlocking, precise down to fractions of a millimeter. The magic? A Lego brick made in 1960 still fits one made today. Kids didn't care what it was made of, they just knew they could build anything. From Viking ships to galaxies far, far away, Lego became the language of imagination. And it all started with a stubborn craftsman, a burned-down workshop, and a brick that never broke its promise.
Subscribe now. History's just getting started.